Hello everybody, today is July 18th, 2017, Tuesday. We're on our way to the pediatrician for Brody's 2-year checkup, routine checkup. And Rebecca just turned him around for the first time, so he's all like confused. We just finally got around to turning his car seat around. I believe that's like the age he's allowed to or weight. You excited? Now I can go back here and go like this. Hey man, look at those little piggy feet. Your brother over here, he's still got to face the back. Can't see anything because of the sun. But yeah, that's what we're gonna do. Mommy's driving us there. And Beckham doesn't have to get any shots, just Brody. But Beckham will probably cry because he hates that place. Keeping the sun out of Brody's eyes. You looking cool, dude. He's lounging back. We're here. Alright, we're here. We're here, my man. Hey Beckham, how you doing? You alright? Hi Beckham. He hates this fucking place. He hates it more than anything. Immediately getting into things. Immediately. Oh, yeah, that was quick. Ready to go.
Come here.
Big boy scale.
30 pounds, 6 ounces.
Hey buddy, so your height.
Right here.
Hey.
Come here, buddy.
Brody.
You just missed her. Watch your head, Mama. Don't hit your head. We're going to say he's 35.5 just because he's bending his knees a little.
Getting that head measured. He's all over the place.
Here, we'll switch. Close to 2 now. Say, just wait when I get 3. It's even worse. I have a 3.5-year-old, and I would go back and do the 2s all over again. Really?
You actually
Nope.
allow it now?
Hold on, hold on. Hold on.
Distractions.
Look. Look. Look at this. The unders on. Look. Oh. Here we go. Hold on, come here.
Oh, look, you opened it, but you're too big to fit through there. Huh? You're not going to be able to fit through there. You're going to pinch your fingers in the door is what you're going to do. Jesus, come on, man. Find one way to do something. Oh my God, I can't. I'm going to kick your ass. Jesus Christ. Will you stop? Slide him over a little bit. You just pull the phone down. What's he doing, Beckham? He's getting into all kinds of stuff. You don't know when to quit. Oh, she's Becky. She wants to go mess with everything. Now we gotta strip him down. Diaper. He remembers when he got on his paper shots. We're not doing any, they don't have to get a shot today from what she said. I'm pretty sure, as of right now, no shots, okay? Relax. Oh boy. Oh shit.
Why can't you sit? Why are you being so lazy?
He does look, he's like all like dead weight today. Look at your bag boy from the backyard. How many times these kids scratch some stuff in the backyard? It's their wilderness. Hey, McMuffin. Kid. Oh my God, it's the second time. Will you stop? Nobody's here for you. This is not for you. Hey, stop. Stop. No. No, no, no. Come on. Please, no. Hey, I said no. I said no. Screaming over here. Why? What? Why? There it is. Look how bad his back is from going outside. It's all you today, buddy. Show you when you're older how much of a jackass you're being right now. Okay, now. Okay. What are you trying to say? No. I said no. You want to get some fishies? Fishies? Come on, you have to come up here and behave like your brother is. Come on. Just eating puffs all day. Hey, do you want your fishies or not? I know it's not in the normal box, but this is the go bag. Come on, up here on the table. You have to come up here. Doing the circle fishy dance.
Okay, what else? Anything else?
Well, he was. Now he's not.
Still drinks from a bottle.
Yeah, I'm okay with that.
Okay.
I mean, he'll drink from a sippy cup sometimes, right?
No.
Not even like once.
Like sometimes it's not consistent.
It's not consistent. I mean, do you offer him both? Like, do you have both sort of available all the time for him? Then go back to the regular yogurt that's smooth, okay? And stick with that. But if he has that one morning and then the next morning, I'm happy with that. That's huge.
Okay.
What about like cereals, rice? That's how he explores.
Yeah.
Everything goes in his
I can't
mouth.
have you bite. I can't have you bite. I don't mind you licking. That doesn't bother me. I know. All right. So, teeth. How are we doing with his
They
teeth?
look good, but we haven't been able to get on the brush.
Not even a little bit? No? Do you get...
So I was right. It said no shots today, and you don't have to get any shots until you're 4. 4 years old. That's a relief. So you don't have to be afraid to come here until you're 4.
That's right.
Bye.
I'm out.
I got my other little man now. Mommy's over there trying to get Brody dressed. Luckily, she doesn't have to put a diaper on, but it's crazy. McMuffin. You got all kinds of nicknames for you, McMuffin.
Alright, we'll do it this way.
It's ridiculous. Whoa, why? Whoa, why? Just put him on the ground. Beat him up. Beat him up, Mommy.
Can you help me?
Help you help do what? Fart?
Do it yourself.
You got this, Mama. I got McMuffin.
Can you get him in the car seat at least?
Oh. Alright, the stats. What are you at? Height 75 percentile, 80 for weight, and head, of course, 90 percentile. 2.5. Oh, he doesn't have to come back for 6 months, yes. But then I remembered again earlier. Beckham has to keep coming back, and we have to bring Brody with us. So it doesn't really matter. We were discussing this earlier. Alright, let's go. Paper balls to the face! Now, you know what? Just hit this. Alright, let's put it in the trash. Alright, my sons. We're leaving. Let's go. Oh no, I just realized I can't do the rear back view anymore because he's facing the other way. Hey Brody. Front driving, man. Facing the front now. I like it. Do you want to go for a walk? Mommy says it's hot as hell outside, but maybe we can go for a walk. We'll think about it. We'll try. Hey, we're home. We're home. We're home. Yeah, we're home. You happy to be home? I know you are. He's in serious mood. So I guess we won't be going for a walk, boys. Trolls is on now. Come here. Captain Creature. Go on your back, butthole. Come on, bring your back. Put your belly. You're fluffy as all hell. You're fluffy, fluffy. Okay, do your thing. Let's go out here. Been keeping it shut because the kid's been destroying it, but it's open and they destroyed it again. Beckham. Yeah, good job. Oh, back to trolls. We were just saying there's trolls and had a fucking party, man. And these kids over here just obsessed with it. Now we'll stick to. He's looking up to his big brother. His father does everything he does. Ah, you two are so adorable together. Can't even take it. Hey! Hi, Beckham. You coming to hang out with Dada? What's going on, man? Crawl, Beckham, crawl. I love you. Don't touch the lens. Every day, this little boy climbs up on this bed and tortures me. Every day. He has this thing where he has to grab your face and pull on your beard and stuff. That's why I cut all my beard off, honestly. And because I looked awful. But you're cute. Every day, all day, he just climbs over it. Now that he sees himself, he doesn't want to climb on me. He's like, man, I see myself. What's good, buddy? Hmm? You're going to be one in 2 weeks. Less than 2 weeks, he's going to be one. Holy shit. Where'd the time go, boy? Hey, he's got to fart. No fart with his mouth, though. He can fart with his butt. What was that like, Beckham? Ow! See, he's got nails too. It hurts. Come on, make the face. You can do it. If you could stop grabbing my face, get some better cute shots of you. Oh. 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 The beard, man, the beard. The beard gets him ticklish. Beard. Beard. Isn't it weird? There you are. Where's my laughter at? Did you poop? Yeah. That's some of the noises you can make. I mean, just like your brother went through the same thing. We all make them together. Let's switch sides. This arm's hard for me to do this with this. He's such a cuddle monster too. Oh, he's gonna grab my fucking face. Ow! Ow, do you have to pull on my face while you do it though? glasses. Oh God, kid, we gotta get rid of these things. Go on, magically disappeared. Oh shit, fell behind the bed. Ow, my eye just poked my eye. I can't even see this camera lens. That hurt. Oh. I'm trying to get his belly. Get that belly. Oh, he's got it. I can't get his hands on and film him. It's so hard to do this. I just get this. I'm gonna get you. It's your cute laugh. Can't do it as good with one hand. I gotta get rid of the glasses. Here I come, get that belly. I hope I'm getting you. I love you. You're so stinking cute. Where's it tickles? He's like all about just the blowing on his belly. Even with this on, it still tickled the shit out of him. Alright, we done. It smells like farts over here because Daddy's farting a lot. Alright, so for the past 2 days, I haven't been out here for the past 2 days because of the boys. I'm glad I didn't, because now I'm looking out here. That is definitely some kind of wild animal in our backyard, dead. I thought it was there earlier eating. I'm not sure what it is, but I see the flies. That's a dead animal. What is up with the animals dying in the backyard out here? Birds? And now I don't know what that is. I'm scared to go out and look. Well, it looks like they tried to get into the hose water or it drowned in this pool. I have no idea. I usually bring these in at night. I don't know what it is. I'm kind of freaked out to go look at it. Oh man, there's flies everywhere. Fuck. This is not my particular thing to deal with. I don't know what that is. It's some kind of wild beast. From what it looks like, it's a muskrat or a groundhog. I honestly cannot tell, and I don't know what to do about it because I really don't feel like picking it up. Fuck, man. Poor thing. Like, did it drown? Like, I have no idea what happened. It's been here since yesterday. I haven't come out in the yard, but man. Not a good day to end the video with. Well, we won't be ending it with this. Oh, fuck. If anybody knows what this is, tell me what it is, because I honestly don't 100% know. Alright, I'm just coming out back. I was going to bury him next to our bird friend, but it looks like Mother Nature, somebody already dug him up and ate him. So, I guess I have to dig this one deeper. But this ground is really hard. I don't know, I'll try my best to bury that thing. Alright, so I just tried to dig a hole. Fuck that. This ground is like rock fucking hard. And I'm wearing fucking sandals, and I just hurt my foot like a motherfucker. I'm just going to put him on the end of the shovel, put him back here somewhere near the fence, and as you saw, the bird got dug up anyway and let Mother Nature take its course. I'm sure some other wild animal will eat him, so it's definitely dead. Sorry, buddy, can't bury you. Comes the fun part, trying to do this. Oh, yeah, thing's pretty stiff. It's been here for a good, oh, it's still a little. I gotta turn the camera up. I can't do this in film. Hi, Beckham. Hi. Daddy got us dinner. Look, yummy. Oh, this fucking thing stinks. Oh my god. Oh, it's dead. I'm not gonna bring that. Oh my god, it smells so bad. Holy shit. The fuck? Alright, I'm just gonna put him back here for now. If an animal doesn't take them by tomorrow, I guess I'll scoop them back up with a mask on though. It doesn't smell that bad, like it's not rotting, so some other animal will probably eat it. Hey, put that down! He's got the wooden plank that we use inside our doors. He's hitting the window with it. Mom's on the phone, she better get her ass up and get away from him. And he put it down himself. Alright, we gotta cleanse the dead area here. You can smell the flesh, it fucking stinks. Blech. Blech. Hi. Hello. Hi. I just came out here, well I've been out here now after putting that muskrat or whatever the hell it is, groundhog, shocked the pool again just in case he went in the pool for some reason. That might have been why he died, I don't know. Hi Beckham. Nah, let's go inside with these boys. What you doing down there, dude? Up here. You reading books to your brother? Good job. But this right here, this is no. This is bad. Well, I mean, Daddy had to use it to get out there, but you gotta leave this alone. You hit that window, you're gonna break this window. Watch you smashing it into it. Hey, Trolls is still on. Trolls is still on. Hmm? What do you want? You got both of you this time? Come on, let's go back into the living room. Come on. He wants me to pick him up. I'm all wet. Oh, we got both the boys. Oh, they both want. I can't pick you up at the same time with the cameraman. Without the camera, I can easily get you. I have to put it down then. All right, hold on. Look, that was under the overalls. I like this much better, this onesie. It's got a little collar. Yeah. Mommy was saying, I think Ed got it for us last year for Brody. I'm just finally getting to put it on Beckham. Right, Beckham? It's time for this boy to go to bed, though. Here, here's your diaper. Put it on yourself. Put it on yourself. Your brother's been running around in a circle now for about 15 minutes. Using my sweaty natty light hat. Running in circles, running in circles, running in circles. Running in circles, running in circles. Running in circles. Yeah, cheer him on. Say, go, brother, go. Go, brother, go. Running in circles the other way, running in circles the other way, running in circles the other way. Can I have my hat back, sir? Ow, you're kicking me in my stomach. Ow. While your brother is on his podium over there, would you like to go say goodnight to him? You know, his future president and stuff. Say goodnight, brother. Hey, he was trying to give you a kiss goodnight. They still don't do kisses. They just take the kisses. Don't ever give them. Alright, we tried. Bye, Brody. Good night. I'll be back for you. Running in circles, running in circles, running in circles, running in circles. Running in circles, running in circles, running in circles. All day. What a boy. Running in circles, running in circles. Beckham loves it though. He like loves when he gets like this. Running in circles, running in circles. You love your brother, don't you? Still going. He's out of breath. You out of breath? He's coming back around. Alright, let's go put back on the bed. Alright, let's go, buddy. Bedtime. Good night. I love you. You get some sleep, okay? Hey, you. Hey, Brody. That's where I gotta change you. Why you always gotta do that, man? Jesus, boy. You ready for bed or what? You think that's funny? You're never ready for bed, are you? You wanna try a chicken nugget? Huh? No. Your pediatrician said you have nice teeth. You do have nice teeth, man, for not brushing them things, man. They're all straight. Hey, don't you grab my camera. Hey. That's my camera. That's Dada's camera. Why are you such a goofy mood? It's because you're tired, huh? What? What? What'd you say to me? Hmm? You say mama? Say, Mama! Mama, get my mama! Don't just stare at him running in circles, cats. Join him. They're all just staring at me. Hey, what did I tell you about those lamps? No, you just knocked that one over. Now you're going for the other one? Come on. All right, it's bedtime. This is when I put him in bed. Now you don't get a chicken nugget. Now, bedtime. Let's go. You're a little out of control. Just a little hyper. But he's got to go to bed. It's like 8:30 bedtime. All right, could you calm down, sir? Calm yourself. Whew, this kid at night just goes crazy all of a sudden. Oh, so he's ready for bed. I love you. Let me get him changed. It's the first thing. I put him on. He's freaking out. He won't let me change him. He wants to stay up. Hey, do you want to try a chicken nugget? All right, we're going to try to give him some food here. He just I've never experienced this with him. He is just acting up today. He's being so bad right now. Hey, hey, hey. Hey, hey, calm down. Calm. It's bedtime. It's 8:30. Stop. You got a what? Oh my goodness. Alright, he's changed. Sung a little ABC. Seemed to calm him down a little bit as he's still over here getting destructive. You know, he's tired. He's just a little wild child, and he's 2 now. So terrible 2s begin. Right? Right, Brody? Autism doesn't help. Right? Yeah. What? Oh. Bedtime. Alright, good night, buddy. I love you. Shut your blinds, okay? Alright. I'm out in the garage now. Just got done doing my workout, obviously. The kids are in bed. Rebecca's about to go to bed. I'm going to review today's video and then have a little discussion if I'm still awake. I'm kind of exhausted today. But yeah, I'll be back. Alright, so I'm going to end the video now. I'm not going to talk your heads off like I do with a lot of these other videos. Just poured my first drink, so honestly might be my last. I'm pretty exhausted tonight. It's only like 10 o'clock and I'm like beyond exhausted. But yeah, today was a great day with the boys as always. Anytime Brody goes to the pediatrician and we get good news, so I'm just happy and thankful for that. And Brody, Beckham, Mommy and Daddy love you, and we'll see you tomorrow, man. Shit, am I tired. And there, look at Brody's big head over there. I was going to try to do this without my glasses. I need to go get contacts. I know I look horrible, but I cannot even see the lens. It's so blurry. Even with this shirt today, I was like, oh my god. I bought this Walmart shirt for like $3. I guess it was like leftover shirts from Father's Day. It's like, I think it says like Papasaurus Rex, and look at the glasses. It's like, I got glasses. I was like, I gotta get that. It's $3, man. Discount rack, size large, not an XL, by the way. So my weight did go down. It's a good thing. But again, everybody stop judging, start loving, accept others for they are, and just be yourself. Meow. Take care, everyone.